Shri Gurupyo Namaha. Welcome to Shri Sai Guru channel. This is Reshma ma'am. Today's topic is very simple. I took the concept from the grade 8 standard. Lesson name is cubes and cube root. In that I took cube of decimal numbers. It's a very simple. Yes. Example, find the cube of. Yes, find the cube of. Find the cube of some numbers I am write here. Example 0.3. Next one is 2.1. Next one any number 1.2, like this. So these are the decimal number. See, first number is 0.3. I want to find the cube of 0.3. 0.3 cube, or you can write here 0.3 cube. So the meaning of this is multiply 0.3 itself by 3 times. Just expand and do multiplication. Very simple. You know that 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. You know that cube of 3 cube is 27. See difference here. 3 cube is 27. 0.3 cube is 0.3 cube is. See here. When you are writing the product, you have to put the decimal. That is by how? Simple. Here 1 deci, 1 more deci, and 1 more deci. 3 decimals are there. So in the product also you should put a point from the right side of the number. I mean here 1, 2, third place is not there. So put 0 and afterwards put a decimal. So therefore 0.3 cube is 0.3 cube is answer 0.027. This is the required answer. So where the confusion I think you are having here, where to put the point. It's very simple. Count the number of decimal places in the given number. Here 3 decimal places. So from the right side put point. 1, 2, 3 place after. Because 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. You will get only 2 places. So for that here the 3 decimal places are there. Therefore you should put 0 here. 3 cube is 27. 0.3 cube is 0.027. Similarly the next one, 2.1 cube. Dear student, it is very simple. 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. Okay. Yes. 2.1 into 2.1 is 4.41. See here 1 deci and 2 deci. Totally 1, 2 place after point is there. Then multiply 2.1. Yes. 4.41 into 2.1. It's how much? It comes, yes, 2.1, that is equal to 9261. When I do the multiplication 4.41 and 2.1, yes, I have to put the point here, but where? Yes, so here 1 decimal place, here totally 2 decimal place. 2 plus 1, 2 decimal, and here 1 decimal is 3 deci. Therefore from the right side, see how to put the point. 1, 2, 3 place after you should put the point here. Don't put the point from the left side. Don't count from the left side, not from here 1, 2, 3, not from here. You have to put the point leaving 3 deci from the right side. You should count the decimal places, then put the point. Therefore 2.1 cube is 9.261. So here 1, 2, 3 decimal. Here also the product has 3 decimal places. Likewise the next problem also. Next I will take that cube of 1.02. I will change the number here 1.02 or 20. So here it has what? 2 decimal places. I want to find the cube of that number. For that I should write the given number by 3 times. Okay, now do multiplication. I am using calculator here. To 1.02, see, into 1.02 is these two number product is, see, first time write the number, then I will show how to put the point. That comes 10,404. 102 into 102 is 10,404, but it is decimal number. It has 2 deci and here also 2 deci, totally 4 decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4 place after put the point into 1.02. Again here 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 2 decimal means 6 decimal place we have to put the point. So I will multiply this number by 1.02 gives, yes, do multiplication carefully. Anyhow you know that how to do the multiplication. Answer is 1061208. Yes, so do the multiplication carefully. But here again I have to put the point, leaving 6 deci. How it is 6? 1, 2, 3, 4. See, point is here 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 2 places, totally 6 decimal place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 after I should put the point here. So the required answer 1.02 cube is 1.061208. Yes, this way how to do the cube of a decimal number. It is same as cube of a number, any whole number like this. Only the point, position of the point is very important. Yes, do practice like this problem. Okay, I hope you understand this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe Sri Sai Guru channel.